The core mission of MyCardium AI is to develop software products that support and help clinicians. So what I mean by that is intelligent software that allows clinicians to see measurements that have already been undertaken by the software. What that means is you don't see the difference when different people try and analyze scans, and that improves quality and ultimately care for patients.
At MyCardium, we have two core products. One is 1CMR Pro, other one is Echo Conference. Both of which are used to assess the healthcare professionals, better analyze the echocardiogram and MRI images. From the get-go, we started approaching the international markets.
Clearly, in order to sell products, you need to achieve the appropriate regulatory clearances and approvals. And that is quite a long journey and requires a lot of specialist expertise and a lot of specialist support. Hardian was able to support us on that journey.
And then we started applying for the CE to get the CE marking and then the FDA clearance. With the help of Hardian, we've achieved that for both of our products.
MyCardium brought Hardian Health in because we were able to supplant their teams in the experience and expertise we have at creating a quality management system that works for medical device submission and creating the medical device file, so the technical and clinical documentation that the regulators need to see. Our regulatory approach for MyCardium was to understand their range of products and to understand their maturity as regards quality management and regulatory affairs in medical devices, looking at the goals of our clients, the realities of where they are with documentation and compliance, the options they have going forward, the obstacles they may encounter, and that all helps us to put together a plan for the way forward.
Hardian assisted in creating the technical documentations, ISO documentations, getting the certifications, as an external reviewer of our processes, doing the audits and support during the external audits as well. They were through the entire journey.
Our work with MyCardium is exemplar to the kind of projects that we like to work on. What made MyCardium's project really interesting to work on from a clinical perspective was they had data that other companies didn't have. The regulators aren't used to seeing this kind of data, so it was important to help them understand why this is really valuable for clinicians. The MyCardium team were new to the regulatory process, but they were incredibly understanding of the things that they had to do, and they wanted to do it properly. Ultimately, our goal is to make them independent and have the confidence that they have that knowledge internally, so that in the long term, they are able to make new products, make new innovations without needing the support of Hardian.
Distinguishing Mike and Ankit and the team from individual employees in the business was actually quite difficult at times. So you really didn't feel as if they were a separate entity. They were fully invested and fully involved in our company right from the get-go. It takes a very long time to achieve regulatory clearance, and when the bodies ask you questions, we have to get back as quick as possible. What struck me about Hardian was their ability to move very, very quickly. They realised the importance of this to us on our journey, but how quickly we had to move in order to achieve what we set out to achieve. So when it came to the crunch, they absolutely delivered for us.